Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Today, we're going to be. Let me just write the date. So today is March 19th, 2026, and what we are going to talk about today is um, we're going to talk about some uh, updates to our YouTube channel. So today, um, we uh, we have our brand, which is our brand, right? Our brand. Um, we we call it Citadelcorex. Okay. Citadel. Citadelcorex. Now, we want to just highlight that we're in the launching phase. Citadelcorex was um first concept uh first first thought of or can became a concept um around late 2025 and Q1 of 2026. So we'll say like Q4 2025, Q1 2026. And we with Tilda Correct, uh we want to say that our goal, right, is to um is to we're gonna rocket launch. We're gonna rocket launch. Um and we're also gonna um have the first city on the moon. So have a moon city and rocket launch, okay? And I mean, we want to also um focus on AI. So we also want to focus on number one, uh, a AI. So we also want to focus on AI and renewable energy. Okay, two is renewable, renewable, renewable energy. Okay, and uh, our YouTube channel, our YouTube channel changed from uh, our uh, our last our last project, which was Premise Gov 51 to now Citadelcorex. And before Premise Gov 51, um, we had a project called Jehovah Shabbat. So that's just a little bit of history about why we came to our current um, status, which is the correct. Okay. Um, I think that's pretty much gonna summarize everything that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys understand um, what our brand Citadelcorex is and what we're about. So I hope you guys stay tuned for our future video content, and I will see you guys in the next video. So don't forget, if you want to, you can watch the video that I did before this one, which is called uh, RS3 divination PowerPoint um, slide presentation. Okay. So thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Have a great one. See you guys later.